Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be discussing to you guys about the latest animal bond update in Heartopia. So you are now able to level up till level 20 for animals, and you'll get like new actions and new items as well. So I think it used to be up till like level 10 maybe or 8, I don't remember. But you'll get like ornaments along the way, and then we have wishing stars, we have puzzles that you're able to get, new actions, and more like ornaments that are new, as you can see here. So yeah, make sure you visit these animals every day and unlock their like ornaments and their puzzles as well and actions. So yeah, that is pretty much it. I just feed them the universal animal food so I don't have to kind of like search for what they like and don't like. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.